Hi everybody, welcome to Peter Science Academy today. Okay, last time I teach you about the factoring and distribution, 분수 전개하는 거 하고 인수분해하는 거. 인수분해하는 거 저번에 했습니다. 인수분해하는 거. 그래서 이제 final summariz는 여러분이 다 아시는 것처럼 summarize 한다는 거는 이제 마지막 정리한다는 거예요. 그래서 summarize는 어디서 나오냐면은 sum, sum은 이게 다 더한다는 뜻이에요. 그래서 summarize는 summarize, summarize. 그래서 하여튼 sum이라는 뜻을 이렇게 아시면 sum은 합이에요. 그리고 영어를 하실 적에는 보캐블러리를 갖다가 단어를 많이 하는 방법은 사전을 보실 때 들으셨으면 그 안에 root, 어원을 보시면은 하나 알면 두세 개를 you can guess. 그게 미국에서 가리키는 겁니다. 그래서 라틴에서 많이 나왔기 때문에 라틴 클래스가 미국 하이스쿨에 있습니다. 칼리지에도 있고. Now, okay, back to business. Okay, parentheses apple plus star square. Distribution is apple square plus 2 apple star plus star square. This way. Reverse way, this way is factoring. So once you do this way, disregarding this. Once this one factoring is parentheses apple plus star square. Okay, and if you have a minus over here, you're gonna put minus right there, only right there. Okay, so on the other hand, apple square minus 2 apple star plus star square, once you factoring is parentheses 가로 열고 apple minus star square. Okay, and the next one is this, apple plus star times apple minus star. Distribution, once you distribute will be this. Once you're factoring this, is apple plus star, apple minus star. Do not try, anyway, you have to memorize this. 외워야 되지만은, before you memorize, you close your eye, do it by yourself by the head. Then you can find out this. Then you don't have to memorize it. Anytime you can pull out from the brain, you never forget it. It's gonna be a last during your life. Okay, that's why I never memorize it. And this one is apple times parentheses 3 plus 2. Once you distribute this way, 3 apple plus 2 apple. So anyway, total 5 apple. Everybody know this. 3 apple plus 2 apple is, they say 5 apple. Then I will ask the people why they say smile at me. That means he know it, but he doesn't know clearly. Okay, think is this. Look at this one. Apple right there. This method is factor by common. Common means same thing. Look, this one is the same. So pull this out in the front, right there. So leftover is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. This is your factor. Okay? And the last method is this. Apple minus 5 star times apple plus 1 star. 1 invisible 1. Once you distribute this, and this will be, it's going to be apple square minus 4 apple star minus 5 star square. Okay, then how to, this is a distributed form. How can you back to this way? That means a factor. Okay, I explained to you last video. Just to make 3 compartment, right there, including sign, make this 3 compartment. Apple square will be 1 apple times 1 apple, right? So 1 times 1, the invisible 1, apple is apple square. And this one This one is a minus 5 star, is a minus 5 star times plus 1 star. That's why minus plus 1 times minus 5 star times star square. Then you can cross multiply this times this times this, and adding. Okay, look at this one. This times this times this is minus 5 apple star. This times this is plus 1 apple star. You're going to add it, minus 4 apple star. Matching. That's why answer is this times this. That's right. This times this one is this. That's why I name it, cross multiply and matching it. 이게 각개를 곱해서 더한 게 나온 게 이거. 영어로는 cross multiply and adding is this. Okay. So you have to I ask you to memorize this one. Okay, this is my memory because we use it every time. Okay, every time in the science, very basic. We're gonna use it. Before you memorize it, you do it by yourself. Self-proving. 한번 자기 스스로 한번 증명을 한번 해보시면은 you don't have to memorize it. Sometimes you slip your mind. You can retrieve. R-E-T-R-I-V-E. retrieve. 다시 꺼내서 쓸 수 있다는 거. retrieve. Okay, look at this one for example like this. Apple square minus 2 apples star plus star square. So we can do divide this way. Then apple square is apple times apple. This one just star times. This one should be minus star times minus star. Then cross multiply and adding. Cross multiply adding is minus apple star. This one is also minus apple star. Adding is minus 2 apple star. Matching, so answer is this and this. So I rewrite it this times this. Simplified form is apple minus star square. Okay, you use this method by cross multiply and matching. Okay, or you can do this. If you know this formula, this will be back to directly this apple minus star square. Okay. Okay. This one is. So you solve this, answer is this, right? This is a little tricky, but common sense. Look at this one. 100 times apple square minus 200 apple star plus 100 star square. If you do this, cross multiply, it's a headache. Basic idea is this one. Factor by common. So what is the common things over there? 100, right? So pull out the 100. Apple square. 2 apple star square. This one is the same as this. So 100 apple minus a star square. It's a tricky, but very interesting and funny. Okay? You like games? This kind of game, math game, good for you. Look at this one, same thing. If you do 0.01 star minus 0.0 star apple star plus 0.01 star square, if you're trying to do cross multiply and matching it, it's a headache. So pull out the common things. 0.11, pull out this under this under 2 apple star plus star square. You solved this already right here. That's why I'm gonna rewrite this one. Apple minus star square. Remember this, very tricky, but also very common things. Next video lecture, I will show you this one. Also, I remind you again, 내가 y use in the apron star. Thing is, next example is more headache. But if you use your idea how to use the apron star package, things much easy. Also in a trigonometry and logarithm, you have to use the apron star concept. Okay, see you then.